Alright, what's good, guys? I'm playing Volcano Gorilla Horror today. Yeah. It's a lot of freaking monsters in here. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Why did that actually scare me? Oh, so I just spawn in on different colors? Okay, wow. Okay, this is how we're doing it? Oh gosh. If I go next to that spot. Holy moly! Please, I'm sorry. No. Bro. Okay, by the way, make sure to subscribe, bro. We're almost at 800, bro. We got this, bro. We literally got this. Dog. Yo. Oh my god. Okay, here we are. Oh my. That was a bit. There's a spider over there. No. Oh, sorry. Oh god, I'm actually scared. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm going over here. What the frick is this? Oh, let's go. Bro, am I just like... Oh god. Please, 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 please. Oh, god. No, dog. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Okay, I see. Well, we're gonna get some new monsters. By the way, I got another video coming. It's gonna be really cool, I bet. Because I haven't seen the game yet, so yeah. I haven't seen this game yet either, so this is my honest reaction to the game. We have speed boosts. That's something that I figured out. Like, when I literally loaded into the... Holy! What's this? Bruh. Alright, let's go get that mini spider. Let's go get that mini spider. Okay, bro. Yeah, see what I watched. Speed boost! I bet I can run away from the spider monster. I bet we're bouncing over to it. Yeah, bye, motherfucker. Oh, why did that scare me? I hate it. The monsters make zero noise. By the way, guys, this game is on itch.io. Well, you guys should definitely download the game. It's a W game. You could probably make some, like, hey, maybe make some funny moments on the game or whatever. A couple videos. It's a really cool game. There's a monster over there. Oh, God. Please, please hit it. Please hit it. Nah! Oh. Yeah, I'm cooked. Anyways, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.